Alright, I really didn't plan on doing a video of this tonight because I'm in a hurry, trying to get ready for Rock Run Summer Blast after coming back from Tall Pines disco ride over the weekend. But I gotta adjust the chain on my son's KFX90 because it is very loose. And I went to go find a quick video on how to do it. I didn't find one, so I figured that means I'm gonna have to do it. So there is a couple of bolts on top and bottom that hold the axle in place. They seem to be 14 millimeter. So there's 4 of them. One up here, one down here, and one down there. And then there is a adjustment screw there. So I'm basically gonna loosen these 4 bolts up and then adjust this until I get within the tolerance. Let me loosen those up, and I'll come back to you. Okay, so those are all loose. All right, manual says it should be within 0.4 and 0.8 inches of slop. Which, that's a lot better. It's still a little bit out though. That I like. That looks about right. So now I'm going to tighten them back up. To snug, and then we'll torque them down. Two of them were super tight on there. 2 of them were not. The right side was very tight. The left side was pretty open. All right, we'll switch over to the torque wrench. Manual's recommended setting is 48 foot-pounds for those. So we'll set the torque wrench to 48. Okay, all torqued up. I'm rechecking. Much better. You don't want it to be too tight. Puts unnecessary pressure on the transmission, but you don't want it to be as loose as it was because it was starting to skip some teeth. So, good luck. Enjoy.